Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Ashraf, and today I will be breaking down three practical compound interest problem using our core formula, which is S equal to P bracket 1 plus K over M bracket power MT. First, Kelvin want to invest RM 35,000 for 7 years, which bank give a better return. So first of all, bank X give you the rate, which is 5.5% that compounded every 2 months, which means 6 times a year. Plunging this in his investment grow to RM 51,346.37 cents. Then for bank Y, the rate given is 6.7% that compounded monthly, which is 12 times a year. This calculation give you answer, which is RM 55,870.90 cents. So comparing the two, Kevin should definitely choose bank Y because it offers a significantly higher return. Question 2. Gina accumulated 80,000 after 10 years, but the interest rate changed halfway through. To find her initial deposit, we have to work backward. First, we'll look at the last 5 years, where the rate was 6.5%, compounded 3 times a year. Working backward from 8,000, we find out that her account held 58,316 cents at the 5-year mark. Now, we use the amount to find the original deposit for first 5 years, which had a 5.9% rate compounded quarterly, dividing 58,360 cents by our compound factor gives us a starting principal of that answer, which is RM 43,278.30 cents. So Gina originally deposit was 43,278.30 cents. Then moving forward, question 3 final give that Abdul deposit 2,000 and end up with 28,600 after 6 years. To find the total interest earned, we simply subtract the principal from accumulated amount, which is RM 28,600 minus RM 2,000. Then we got 8,600 ringgit. He earned a total of 860 ringgit in interest. That concludes my section for today, and I will pass it to my friend Hafi for the question B.
Thank you, Asar, for explaining question A. Now I will explain question B, the value of K. If we want to find the value of K, we must use the compound interest formula. S equal P bracket 1 plus K per 200 bracket to the power of n. Then we substitute the value. 28,600 equal 2,000 bracket 1 plus K per 200 bracket to the power of 12. After we substitute the value, we do the calculation, we will get K equal 6.05. Therefore, the interest rate is 6.05% per annum. Moving on to the next question. Bank Baif sold a shop lot for RM 450,000 and used 70% of the amount as a down payment on his new bungalow house that priced at 1,500,000. Then he financed the remaining balance with a 25 years housing loan at 3.5% per annum, compounding monthly. These are given data based on the question. After reading the data, we can answer the question A. Find the monthly payment. If we want to find the monthly payment, we use the unity formula. A equal R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket to the power of negative n per I bracket. Then we substitute the value. 180,500 equal R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.035 per 12 bracket to the power of negative 300 per 0.035 per 12 bracket. After we calculate, we will get the answer for R is R equal RM 5,932 ringgit 39 cent. Next question B. Calculate the interest charge. If we want to find the interest charge, first we must find the total payment equal R multiplied by N. 5,932.39 multiplied by 300, we will get 1,779,770. Next, interest charge equal total payment minus A. 1,779,770 minus 1,185,000, we will get amount interest charge equal RM 594,717. That's all from me. Thurman will explain the next question.
Thank you, Happy, for the explanation. My name is Thurman Eaton, number matrix 2026109697. Moving on to question C. The borrower wants to fully settle the loan right after making the 119th payment. To find the remaining balance, we use the present value formula for annuity. We plug in our monthly payment of 9,000 5,932 ringgit and 39 cents, the monthly interest rate of 0.035 over 12, and the remaining 110 payments. This gives us a final lump sum settlement balance of 557, 543 and 53 ringgit. Next, in question D, the borrower misses the first three payments and wants to clear the arrears on the due date on the fourth payment. Because we are looking for the accumulated future value of these four payments, we use the compound annuity formula. Using n equals to 4 periods with the same payment and interest rate, the total amount required to settle the outstanding arrears comes out to 23,833 and 58 cents. That's all from me. Thank you. Now let's move on to question 5, where we need to find out exactly how long it will take Fatani to repay her motorcycle loan. First, we calculate the loan amount. The motorcycle cost 55,000 ringgit, and after deducting her 20% down payment of 11,000 ringgit, the remaining finance balance A is 44,000 ringgit. To find the number of months required, we use the present value of annuity formula. We know our monthly payment R is 560 ringgit, and the monthly interest rate I is 4.67% divided by 12. By substituting these values into the formula and solving for the unknown variable n using logarithms, we get n negative n equals to negative 94, which gives us a total of 94 months. So it will take Fatani exactly 94 monthly installments to settle her motorcycle loan in full.